Welcome ladies and gentlemen to Bubbly Tech. In this video I'm gonna be reviewing the JBL T450 Pure Bass Edition headphones, so let's get into the video. The T450s come in at just under $30, and for the price you do get quite a lot. The headphones are wired and have an on-ear design. They feel sturdy and well built even though they are entirely made of plastic. The cable is not braided, but it does come with a simple remote for pausing and playing music, and to store the microphone used for taking calls. For connectivity, it uses a 3.5mm audio jack which has a 45-degree tilt. They of course aren't the most comfortable headphones you can buy, but for the price I really can't complain. The only thing I would like to have seen was some padding on the headband, because after a long period of time the band does get quite irritating to wear. But the padding on the ear cups is soft and comfortable to wear, however it does get quite hot after a few hours of use. The ear cups do rotate up to 90 degrees and have a slight inward tilt for more comfortable use. Now let's talk about the sound quality. For the price, they do sound decent. The mids and highs are good, the vocals sound good, and the bass isn't anything special, but where these headphones do shine is the overall broad soundstage. The headphones do a good job of blocking background noise, but sometimes you do hear a little bit of audio leaking. They do also get quite loud, so that's a nice bonus as well. And so in conclusion, I do highly recommend these headphones for students and people that are on a low budget. For the price, they do bring quite a lot to the table. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description on where to buy them if you are interested in getting them. If you guys did enjoy this video and thought it was useful, give it a like and subscribe. It of course motivates me to continue uploading more videos, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. This was Bubbly, signing out.